Welcome to our Destination Next Beacon House, Day 1. This is the exterior lobby where our featured speakers take center stage, setting the tone for an inspiring experience. Inside the lobby, attendees were greeted with a dynamic display. Our speakers showcased at the top, along with the most impactful sessions just a click away. The auditorium was at the heart of the event, hosting insightful sessions, thought-provoking discussions, and interactive activities that kept our audience engaged. But the experience didn't stop there. Attendees enjoyed exciting engagement activities, including a thrilling scavenger hunt and our highly interactive round-table discussions. Exploration was key in our exhibit halls, where visitors discovered exclusive videos, valuable resources, and connected with various industry leaders as well. And for those who loved a little friendly competition, engagement was rewarded. The more you participated, the higher you climbed on the leaderboard. These are just some of the activities available, so the more you interact with the platform, the higher the chance of you being part of the leaderboard. We thank you for being a part of this incredible experience. We hope you stay connected, learned, and had fun along the way. Until the next time.